Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you this afternoon. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen. So we'll start on the very bottom of the cabinet pantry, and we'll go ahead and do a 5-inch height glide out. And we went ahead and put these 3 dividers in here, and those dividers you can move to the left, to the right, or you can bring it up to this 5-inch. But this is good to put your potatoes, your onions. You can do olive oil bottles, water bottles, whatever you need. And then above it, we went ahead and did a 2.5-inch for shorter items, canned goods, sauces. You had short pasta. You can lay them down. And then above that, another 5-inch for snack items, and then a 2.5-inch height glide out. So that's the bottom. And then right above it, we're going to go ahead and do a 2.5-inch, and you're going to have this slope here. So it's going to slope all the way. So you can put your crackers, your vinegars, and they won't fall over when you pull this out. And then you'll leave the other 2 shelves alone because they are higher up. Okay? So that is your Shelf Genie project. We did the basic grade, which is the 3-year warranty. And just as a reminder, all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. Okay? Thank you so much for the business, and it was nice chatting with you. And we'll see you at the next home show, hopefully. Come stop by, or I'll come stop by your coffee area. All right, you take care. Talk to you later. Bye.